The 2011 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, adjustable headrests, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, airbag deactivation, side airbag system, EBD electronic brake distribution, traction control system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.